What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Maximize. Yay! Today I really wanted to just finally propagate my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I've been air layer propagating it, which was successful, but I haven't even opened it up in a while, so I don't even know if that root is still viable. But she's been growing so much, like she's so much taller from when I initially propagated, so I'm terrified to actually cut the stem now because I just don't want it to die. And she just spit out a new leaf. So I'm scared that that new leaf will be sacrificed, you know, because she's always producing a new leaf. So I'm like, I don't know when to do it. I really think the time has come because the bottom half of the plant has no leaves on it. It just looks very barren. So I'm like, just do it, you know, just do it, Mackenzie, just do it. If you haven't watched my air layering video, I posted that probably like a month and a half ago. Maybe that's when I air layer propagated my Hoyas and my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. So guys, go check it out, please. Thank you. I have my hair up today and a headband. My boyfriend always says I look like a samurai when I put half my hair up, and I'm like, you know, I am just a person. But you know, it's all good. Like, I like it, you know, my hair's out of my face, and that's preferred. If I could just shave my head, you know, I think I would, but I also think I would look maybe like a boy, like a young boy. And plus, you know, I don't know if I have like a weird like skull shape too, because like that's totally possible. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, guys, let's get into the propagating of my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, shall we? Okay, guys, so here is my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma as is. You see that new leaf coming in? I'm just like, ugh, I hope it doesn't die when I finally cut it. We'll see. It's part of the gamble with plants, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna find out. So I'm gonna take this air layering stuff off finally. God, it's been so long. I'm scared to see like what's in there. Oh wow, this root is intense. It's looking real long. Okay, 1 second. So you have to be very careful because the root sometimes grows into the plastic and the paper towel that you use. So just be very mindful of that because I almost ripped it off. Oh wow, there's like a lot of roots in here. Let me show you. So you see like this is the root right here, and then this is like a weird root right there. Like, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's really stuck on there. Okay, this is gonna come off in like tiny little pieces. It's never just easy, you know, it's never just simple. So I think I'm just gonna leave this on here because there's roots growing throughout this paper towel, and the paper towel will break down over time, so I'm not too worried about that. This is intense because I would literally have to cut it like right here. It's for the greater good, you know, because the plant, it needs to have multiple stems in this. I mean, look how barren it is, right? So I'm gonna go for it, guys. So right below this root, where this root starts, right here, I'm gonna cut it right there. And then hopefully maybe these leaves can produce new ones. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Here we go. Oh! I really didn't like that. I don't like it. Oh my God. Ooh, I didn't like that. But look how much better it could look. You know, it could look so much fuller. That was so hard. All right, well, if it doesn't work, like, I will cry. I will legit cry in my closet in the dark under a blanket for at least 7 minutes, you know? My next step is to put this in wet soil and keep it really moist, keep the nutrition going, keep the water going, so the plant can bounce back really quickly and hopefully sustain this new leaf it has. So that's the game plan right now. So let me get all the materials I need. Okay, so a lot has transpired and I've completely changed like where I am. But I've decided to completely repot the whole Rhaphidophora tetrasperma into a bigger pot. My mom like custom made this pot out of a terracotta pot. She like did all the paint. She did this little label thing. So cute. And I did like a little hack, you know, because I didn't have a saucepan to put under it, but I just took the lid off of a candle that I have and it fits perfectly. and it has like a little plastic ring in there. It's like a non-stick surface as well, so it won't like slide around and stuff. So doesn't that look cute with the little gold on the bottom? Thank you, everyone. I feel the applause happening right now. Thank you. So anyway, guys, I'm going to start filling this pot with soil, just a mix of cactus mix and potting soil. Here we go, get ready. I'm gonna get dirt everywhere, knowing me. Just always disgustingly dirty. Next is my cactus mix, which is a little more, it just allows for more drainage, and you don't have to be as concerned with root rot when you mix. Ah, it's very loose right now, which is perfect. That's what you want. It's much easier to put a new plant into soil when it's like all soft. So first I'm gonna put this in, and you just wanna make sure that these new roots are completely covered in the dirt and surrounded. And then I'm gonna take this one out of this current pot and put it next to this cutting. So this might be a process. Sorry, the whole table is like shaking. That's how powerful I am. It's just the raw power. Okay, look at that, all those roots. And then I'm just gonna drop this guy in. Just 2 more handfuls. And I always forget the trellis, y'all. Like, I always forget the trellis. So let me go get a trellis stick. So I have my trellis stick. And again, these are just bamboo sticks, and I have it linked below if you want to know where I got it or what it is or what I've named it. So the front of the pot is here, so I want to put the pole in the back. And I didn't really plan this very well, so that's my bad. But I'm just gonna stick it in like this. And I have my little twisty ties, so he's kind of growing over the pole, and you can just kind of position it, you know, whatever looks best, essentially. Sorry, there's like kids like yelling outside. So I'm like, oh, okay, have your fun. Like, see, it's a little shorter now, but at least it looks like fuller, and it'll fill in this area a little bit more too, once these leaves down here really grow in. So now I have to make sure I water it a lot so that those roots really get that enough nutrition to support the cutting that I just cut. But I'm gonna let it stay dry for a little bit to let that cut end dry out a little bit, because if you water it too soon, it could rot. So I might water it tomorrow, let it chill for a bit, and then water it tomorrow really, really well, really deeply. And then we'll go from there and hope that this new leaf survives. I finally did it, guys. I finally propagated it. So there it is. All right, guys, we're back in the bedroom now. I don't know why I keep changing location. It's just to keep it spicy, you know, that's how I live my life. So that's it. I have finally made my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma filled out. Like, now it has leaves in every section. It's not like crazy tall. It's not gangly and long. Air layering is by far the best for this plant. It just produces roots really, really quickly once you do that one trick. And cutting it is nerve-wracking, but you know, I'm gonna let you know how it goes for me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like, please comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. And please turn on that notification bell so you know every time I post. Okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!